Hey everyone, thank you for watching. This is Natsuo. I decided to add a new category on my channel, which is me and my dog's wellness. Wellness include fitness is my passion and I want to share with you. Although due to life conditions, sometimes I couldn't put our health as priority. But me and my son, Mini Schnauzer, we both are getting older. Yikes. We want to learn and try new things to make us happier and healthier. Oh, by the way, we welcomed new family, Mini Schnauzer mix, crazy ninja daughter. Oh my gosh, she's in trouble. Anyway, I will share healthy, easy food, wellness tips, and life with schnauzers, trying out healthy things for their wellness. Today is Sepha's grooming day. Yay! I know he's not happy. You know, miniature schnauzer, they don't really shed and their hairs are like human hair. So if you have an allergy, it's good for you. I do have an allergy, but I have no problem with him. So that's a good sign. But of course, you know, everybody, grows hair. So we have to cut sometimes. I do every 2 months, about every 2 months. I do use Oster. I think that's Guy's brand, like when you guys clip your hair or something. I've been using that brand for a long time since Sepha came along with me. But this is a new version. But actually, I do like the previous one better. But of course, I cannot find older version, so I'm using this. And I use this tiny scissor, kind of arched, so I can use his nose area and eye area. Let's do this. You know, it will take maybe like 2 hours to groom his hair because he keeps moving around and trying to run away from me many times. It was much less when he was younger, but when he's getting older, he's more stubborn, I guess. He has a little attitude and there's more space to run away. So it makes me hard to do that. But it's gonna take for a long time, so I will make this video faster. He started off very being a good boy. He's sitting down. Oh my lord. But that lasted only for a short time. We just started. I know he doesn't like it, but we have to do it. Schnauzer cut is normally very short on the back, neck, ears, and they have skirt on the sides and legs. It depends, like little longer ones or short ones, and then bushy eyebrows and beards. In my case, I prefer to make it shorter so he can, stay clean and easy for me to clean up his mess sometimes. And the butt area and tail, they have a ducked tail, short one, so they can kind of put it down to hide his butt area if he doesn't want me to shave. But today he was okay. He was being nice to me so I could cut his hair. And I normally cut very short because sometimes he has soft stools and then I have to wipe it off, and if he has a longer hair, that gives me a hard time to clean and it's nasty. So sanitation wise and then health wise, I make it very short. I was doing great in a good mood. And that happens. Now he's run away. Oh well. You know, he doesn't look like he has a lot of hair, but actually when I shave, look, a lot of hairs. Now he ran back inside the house. So I had to grab him and bring him back outside. It's not done yet. Now backside is over, so we're gonna work on face and ears. And I would say ears are the most difficult parts I have to deal with because he hates cutting ears. I guess it's very sensitive and his ears are cropped. So maybe he has a bad experience, bad memory and stuff like that. So it takes a long time for me to cut his ear area. See? He ran away. I have to grab him. Come back! Once his ears are done, then he's kind of okay with it. I switch over to the scissors to check his beards and then eyebrow area. He has long, beautiful eyelashes. So I try not to cut it. Just eyebrow area I trim. But the thing is he has black hair, and if it's too bushy, it's hard for me to see his beautiful eyes. So I try to cut it very short, but still, you know, maintain his eyelashes. He's very handsome. And his skirt, he's a boy, but he has a skirt. It's cute. So I normally use scissors to cut his legs and sides. Maybe about 1 inch. I try to keep it that way. And of course, I'm not professional, so it's hard for me to do it perfectly. And then, just like this, he keeps running away. So I cannot do it right away or quickly. But look, can you tell the difference? We're almost there. We just need to shave on the belly area and the backside of the legs and arms, and between the paws there are hairs growing, so you need to shave that part. And Schnauzers, they have a black nail, so it's very hard to clip because you don't know how far you can go to, because we cannot see the blood vessel area. So I don't really go too deep. So this time I don't do it, but I do use the files instead of clippers. You are good to go, son! You look so handsome. Even if mommy's skill is terrible, you look great no matter what. And you are loved. I've been cutting his hair since, I don't know, 2 years old, so maybe about 11 years. I only had someone cut his hair one time, but since then I've been cutting his hair. So that's one of my showing love for him. Maybe you should try it. You know, that's gonna be very time consuming, but that will be very precious time between you and your puppy, and you get to know them much better, and you will recognize if there's something wrong or something is different, unusual. So give it a shot.